Crude oil has started the week on a slightly greener mode where it is now retracing and looking upwards. This we discussed in our weekly webinar that first trading session on this Monday could be of a further bullishness where prices might look forward to retrace further, and how far it can retrace, what should be our strategy to profit today, this all we will be seeing in this video. If you're new to the channel, do subscribe to the channel to get the latest updates. The next update on crude oil will be released before the US session. Do watch that as well. Let's start. We'll look with hourly charts. Towards the end, I will give you the trading levels and strategy. Do watch this. Look at crude oil. Moving averages crossed over here and now have started to cross over again after a week or more. Now the moving averages 20 and 50 crossed over, looking upwards, staying bullish. Also, if you notice this, prices are taking support from the 20 period moving average and are continuing on the upside, largely trading in this zone. The resistance now at 72.4, 72.6 is the first resistance zone, and then beyond that we can look forward to 73.1 levels here. Right now, if you notice here, this was the first resistance zone 71.6. It has breached past this and now looking upwards. So certainly we are looking forward to 72.5, 72.4, 72.6 zone, and beyond that is where further bullishness may prevail. Now also notice, see, the drop was sharper, the rise is gradual, suggests that though it is trying to reverse, but it is a retracement, not a complete reversal. So we have to be cautious with our buying positions. As long as 74 levels are not taken, we should be cautious with it. Stochastic overbought, MACD has seen a good retracement here and are almost at the peak here. We will watch out how it behaves at the current levels at around 72, 72.4 levels. RSI looking upwards. Coming to 2-hour charts, likewise on the 2-hour charts, you will observe higher lows here and higher highs here. The support levels are at around 71.5 and then 71. Only and only if you see the price is staying below 71, you can say the bears are back in crude oil and we are going to look forward to a fall. As long as 71 levels are respected, we have to be careful with the selling entries. Also look at the upside. It is scaling on the upside. Now 72 levels is where further bullishness will add on, and I will look forward to some point of time this zone here at 71.2.4, 72.6 as the next resistance. Stochastic back to overbought, MACD trading with divergence, MACD looking upwards, trying to trade bullish. RSI is also scaling on the upside. Coming to 3-hour, look at the 3-hour chart. See, here we have mentioned that prices are divergent from the 20 period. It has converged and now also it is looking upwards, continuing to move towards 50 and 100 period moving average. Now 50 period moving average is sitting at around 72.2 levels. The next resistance zone, then 72.4, 72.6. Now one must notice that this was the consolidation zone on the 3-hour charts at around 73.73 and 74. After that, a sharp drop, and now it is retracing. Look again at the slope, what we are seeing here, and this is again a retracement, not a reversal, as long as 73, 74 zone is not taken on the upside. Now look at the 3-hour charts here. Again, it is trading bullish. It is continuing to yield higher highs, higher lows. We are looking forward to 72.4, 72.6 zone on the upside as the first target levels. As long as 71.4 levels are respected, potentially we can see an up move. However, right now, if you also notice, the bullishness is observed, but it is taking very cautious step. Though the week is just started, the markets have just opened. So yes, it is taking a cautious note as of now. We have to watch out in between 72, 72.2, 72.4 and 72.6. 4 levels here, just 20 cents of trailing stop loss you have to keep. We cannot avoid it, but yes, this is how markets are. Though it appears to be trading bullish, but once it reverses, it can be a stronger one. Though I expect it to retrace towards 72.4, 72.6, still you have to be cautious on the upside. Stochastic looking upwards back to overbought. MACD is trading with divergence. It is looking bullish. It is looking upwards. RSI rising as well. Coming to 4-hour chart. Now similarly on the 4-hour charts, higher lows are consistently observed. Higher highs are seen here. Look at this, 3 to 4 candles consolidated, first bullish candle and a breakout candle. Now the second candle is about to start, and I will look forward to 71.9 levels. For the lower levels, when it stays above 71.9, you can initiate a buying entry here. Expect it to move towards 72.2, 72.4, 72.6 zone. Yes, this is the target 72.4, 72.6. I will look at if it continues to stay bullish above 71.9 levels. And at 72.4, 72.6, we will see how it behaves potentially beyond those levels. Further retracement towards 72.8 or 73.2 levels cannot be denied here. Be careful, this is the zone beyond which we can confirm for a reversal, and right now it is retracing gradually. So this is first on the buy side. Also, if you look at the stochastic on the 4-hour charts, has also come to oversold, overbought levels. The MACD has crossed over here at the bottom. It is looking upwards. It is trading with divergence. Look, this crossover is almost has come from the lower levels, from the bottom levels, and from here it could retrace further on the upside. RSI is rising as well. Coming to the daily. Now, before we look into the daily charts and I give you the trading levels and strategy, if you want to learn this art of trading, you can join my 28th mentorship batch. Do not miss this opportunity. Register yourself now itself. Equip yourself with the tools, techniques, and strategies which can help you identify profitable trades and help you trade profitably. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can visit the platform forexwonder.com where you get the details. Along with it, we have started a weekly webinar series where every Sunday we discuss what to expect from the markets in the coming week. We take a holistic view of indices, commodities, and currency as well. And I take up your live questions. Do register for the webinar. This webinar package for a month comes with 2 live consultations with me where we can discuss one-on-one regarding the market moves and any of your positions, and I can make a prediction for the coming, doing the analysis for you for any of commodities, currencies, whatever you want me to consult. You can have a discussion with me. So yes, do register for this webinar package, and if you want to join the signals channel, reach out to me via Telegram or email. Now look at the daily charts. See, on the daily charts, this was a reversal sign. It was outside Bollinger Bands. In fact, last to last trading session itself, I have mentioned that oil is trying to retrace now. It may look forward to an up move. Precisely that has happened. It is started to look upwards. If you notice here, it is trading in this zone where 72.4, 72.6 certainly should be a good resistance. Any move above, and also one must notice the prices are too much divergent from the 20 period moving average, which is right now sitting at around 74.2. So potentially today it may try to retrace a little on the upside. Maybe for a couple of days it can trade into this zone where the moving averages comes down, the prices moves up, and which makes 73, 74 zone as achievable and a greater resistance as well. So one can buy here at 71.9. When the higher lower prices are above 71.9, one can initiate a buying position. Be cautious with 72.2, then the 72.4, 72.6 zone, and once it stays beyond this, we can look forward to 73.1 and plus levels, which is looking forward to 73 point, again 73.5 and 74 as the next targets. There is a potential for it to retrace towards this zone. On the downside, a selling entry can only be taken if you see the higher prices. This price below 71.4, you can initiate a selling entry, but remember that only bearishness in crude oil today is if you see it staying below 71. Once the prices stay below 71, that is the point of time you can say now it has reversed and there could be further bearishness. The stochastic on the daily charts is rising, MACD is bearish, it is trying to converge, and RSI is flat. Considering this, sell at 71.4 and buy at 71.9. Be alert for 71 levels on the downside, and on the upside 72.4, 72.6 zone. In between this, you have to be cautious. Beyond this, certainly the more buyers will pitch in at above 72.6 zone, and below 71 levels, certainly more bearishness will be seen towards 70.6 levels and then $70 levels. Take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. See you again before the US session update. Join my mentorship batch, join my webinar series, join my signals channel on Telegram. All the links are there in the channel and video description, and visit the page www.forexwonder.com. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day.